how to convert to SVG vector in GIMP. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to convert SVG vector to in GIMP. So first of all, you need to select the paths tool and then make your path, and after that you have to use the paths from selection tool. So for that you have to go to the Windows menu like here, like this, and then you have to click on the dockable dialogs menu under the Windows menu, and then you have to choose path from dockable dialogs menu under this, as you can see, and then you have to export your paths and convert images to SVG with link Inkscape. So for that you have to download and install the Inkscape application from the website, and then you have to launch Inkscape, then go to the file, select import and choose the image to convert to SVG. And when the image has been imported, click on it with the select tool, and then you have to hit the path as you can see, and then you have to choose trace bitmap from here, and then you have to go to update and check the preview traced image. You have to click on the update preview, and if you're happy with the preview you have to select apply, and the tracing process begins. And then when the tracing process has been completed, a vectorized image will be placed above the original image, and then you can move the image, resize or modify it according to your specifications. And once ready, you can save the file as an SVG via file and then save as, and then you can use autotrace to save image as SVG file. You have to download and install the autotrace application from the website, and then launch the command prompt or terminal. You have to run as administrator and go to the directory where the file is saved, and input the command autotrace input.jpg output file output.svg output slash format svg. And after that uh, your work is done here, and that's it for this video guys. See you on the next one.